Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. To the star 99 names of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficial, who created you, me, and whole universe. My honorable teacher, leader, and all dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to discuss topic that plays the most important role in everyone's life, which has a big hand to achieving success in any field of life. I am talking about the how to face problem in our life. My dear friends, के जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते, कि जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते, हासिल होती हैं उन्हें मंजिलें मेरे दोस्त, के हासिल होती हैं उन्हें मंजिलें मेरे दोस्त, जो वक्त और हालात पे रोया नहीं करते. My dear friend, in this world, every living being faces a lot of problems, be it animals, bird, insect, or human being. Everyone faces troubles, pain, obstacles in their life, and problem also part of our life. And problems learn us to new lesson. And my dear friends, without facing problems and face getting success is just a dream. If I talking about how to face problem, firstly, my dear friends, believe in Almighty Allah, because my dear friend, He solve all problem. Allah is the key. Allah is the key to solve all problems. And my dear friend, remember that if Allah could take the Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon, out of the cave and made Musa's win from our throne and can the save Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam from the fire, then what is our problem? What is our obstacle in front of Almighty Allah? Just believe in Almighty Allah. My dear friend, remember that whatsoever happening, don't tell your pain, trouble, obstacle to anyone, because in this cruel world, no one will help you except Almighty Allah. And the poets also said that कि अपने दर्द अपने रब से बांट लिया करो मेरे दोस्त, के अपने दर्द अपने रब से बांट लिया करो, फिर दर्द जाने, दवा जाने और खुदा जाने. Remember that Almighty Allah tests us. He tests us by giving and by taking. And Almighty Allah see who will remember me in good time and who will remember me in bad time. And we should always be thankful to Almighty Allah in any situation. Remember that if Allah close one door, then also open 10 doors of well. And in this world, there is a lot of people said that I face a lot of problems. No, that's wrong. Every human, every bird, every insect face some problems. And Almighty Allah also said Quran Pak innama al-usra yusra, बेशक हर मुश्किल के बाद आसानी है. Remember that life is not always same, time is not always same. If you in problem, maybe tomorrow you will become a success. If you today are happy, tomorrow maybe you will become sad. My dear friend, no one knows what will happen tomorrow except Almighty Allah. My dear friend, just believe in Almighty Allah and believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, then you can solve all problems with easily. And my dear friend, if you will not believe in yourself, then you can't move forward, then you can't achieve your goals, and then you can't solve your problems. If you take the example of Honor of Panasonic, my dear friends, his name is Sanusuke, and he live in Japan, and he also belongs to poor family. When he was 6 years old, he left his study. Why? Because of problems, troubles, obstacles. And he doing job in Osaka company. In the day he go to job, in the night he doing experiment. After few months he invent a palak. And my dear friend, there is a lot of companies reject his product, but he never gave up, and he believed in himself. One day one company gave him order of 1,000 palak. On this day he not see back and work hard. Now he is a world popular company, and you know that now his annual selling is 70 billion, and now in this company 80,000 employees working. My dear friend, if you believe in yourself, if you believe in Almighty Allah, then no one can prevent you to touch the sky. And my dear friends, just believe in yourself, because my dear friend, no one with you when you face the problems. And my dear friend, poets also said that के मंजिलें लाख कठिन आएंगी गुजर जाऊंगा, हौसला हार के बैठूंगा तो मर जाऊंगा, कि मंजिलें लाख कठिन आएंगी मर जाऊंगा, हौसला हार के बैठूंगा तो मर जाऊंगा, कि चल रहे थे जो मेरे साथ कहाँ गए वो लोग, के चल रहे थे मेरे साथ कहाँ गए वो लोग जो कहते थे रास्ते में बिखर जाऊंगा। My dear friend, in this world there are a lot of people say you, I am also with you, but with you in your good time, in your happiness. When you face problem, then no one can help you except Almighty Allah. And my dear friend, during this time we should take patience, because patience is the best solution of every problem, and patience is a powerful weapon that help us to solve any problem. And my dear friends, when you face problems, so keep patient. Remember that gold is tested by fire, and human tested by problems. And my dear friend, remember that Allah with you. Those who keep patient. If you take the example of owner of KFC, you know that whom age he will become a successful person when he was 65 years old, then he will become a proper successful person. Means, my dear friend, when he take patient is like when he was 9 years old, then his father died, and he lived his study in the age of 9 years. Then he faced a lot of problem. No one will help them, but my dear friend, he keep patient. Now you can see he's a world popular and famous student. My dear friends, believe in yourself. Remember that if Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was saved by fire, you will also be saved. If the way made for Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, the made for also you. But the thing is there, but the difference is that you should not be patient with faith. Remember that. And the poets also said that कि हिम्मत कर, सबर कर, बिखर कर भी सवर जाएगा, कि हिम्मत कर, सबर कर, बिखर कर भी सवर जाएगा, यकीन कर, शुक्र कर, वक्त ही है गुजर जाएगा। My dear friend, you know that in this poetry, what poet said that believe in yourself, keep patience, and always thankful to Almighty Allah. If you do these things, then your success will kiss your feet. And my dear friend, the main thing is that never lose hope. If you lose hope, means you lose the battle of life. And my dear friend, if you started losing hope, then always think that tree who one by one lost his leaf, but he never lose hope. He hoping that the days of spring surely come. And the poets also said that रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चल के खुद समंदर भी आएगा, कि रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चल के खुद समंदर भी आएगा, ये थके ना बैठे मंजिल के मुसाफिर, कि थके ना बैठे मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा। In this poetry, poet said that never lose hope. If you losing the hope, means you destroy your career. And my dear friend, in this world there is a lot of people he whole life doing work hard. When his success in here, he lose hope. My dear friend, if you think that how the successful person become a successful, they not face problems. They also face a lot of problems. They never lost hope. Keep patient and believe in himself and believe in Almighty Allah. Then he will become a successful person. These are my little points. Thank you guys.